C-section.
All right, we have a pregnant cat here, and we're gonna do a C-section. It appears we got 1, 2, 3. No, we got 4 little kittens. Now they're all in their own individual pockets, so yeah, it's pretty cool. All right, let's get them out. I'm gonna start. Let me take my glasses off. All right, so these are actually the 2 horns of the uterus. This is the left horn and the right horn. In human beings, there's no horns. There's just one uterus. Hey, buddy. And you can see there's the uterus, and then there's the amniotic sac. I'm just gonna get it out all at one time.
Should I get closer? It's so cute.
There he is. He's in there.
It is cute. Look at it.
And then there'll be an umbilical cord once we get his little face. Oh, watch. Oh, he's being born.
See it.
Oh, there's his little mouth. Yeah, it's a boy. Just kidding. I don't know. There he is.
Oh,
Meow. 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 Oh, it looks like he's sleeping.
okay, I got He's dead.
There he is. And look, you can see, there's this, can you see his little umbilical cord?
Yes.
Can I touch it?
Cut it off.
Would anybody like to be the proud parent and cut the umbilical cord?
Me.
Caden, come on over. You get to cut the cord on the first kitten.
First kitten.
There you go.
Oh my God, proud father.
There you go. We're going to get a lot of views on this one. Cut the cord. Boop. Oh, come on. First time dad. He didn't know what he was doing there. Yeah. And there's his little feet. There's his little face.
Girl or boy?
You can't tell at this point.
Oh, you can't?
No.
Yikes.
It'll take a while for everything to fully develop. But there's a little kitten.
Can I touch it?
When we get them all out, we'll juggle.
Yeah.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed the C-section of a little kitten.
Dibs.